Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to show you how to make something like this, which is 3D printed, but it's something I made in VR on the HTC Vive. It was supposed to be a USB flash drive holder, but it didn't turn out quite the size I thought it was going to. I'm using the FlashForge Finder, and the software I'm using in VR is called Masterpiece VR. So right now I want to show you a real quick demo of making something and then exporting it. So, we get our hands loose. I'm a lefty. So, you have your sculpt tool, and I'm just going to make something on the floor right here. We'll just kind of make, I've been making a lot of bug type guys. I'm not really sure what this is. But we'll go like that. It's kind of a snowman. Kind of give this guy kind of legs. Will it balance? Probably not. I'm not real good at this. You can also erase out chunks, like you're carving it away, which is pretty cool. Alright. And then we'll give him some arms. Real long, flowy arms. See how that turns out. And then we'll give him a... let's go with this big cylinder head. I'm a robot looking guy. Got like a marshmallow head. Some eyeballs. Pupils. And whoa, too much. There we go. Looks good. Okay. Now to actually export that, we go to File, Export, and then we can name it here. If you use the grip squeeze, you can move those windows around. We'll call him Bug3. Now here's the formats. Oops. Here's the formats that you can use. My FlashForge Finder uses the STL file, and I have a folder on my desktop that I've been putting these things into. Do that, export that, and that looks pretty good. Now, what do you do with the STL file? Well, on ours, good old trusty Alt F4, right? The Bug3 here will open up in FlashPrint, which is what the FlashForge Finder uses. It's off the platform, yes. I always repair the model right when it goes in. Now, if you don't have FlashPrint or you don't have FlashForge Printer, you could use Cura, C-U-R-A, which I think is also free. So here's our little guy. He's more or less on the ground. Oh, that leg's not quite on there, but you know what? I wonder. Let's just move him down through the ground a little bit. Oops. And then, oh, of course, whenever my fridge goes off, my monitor goes off. There. That'll flatten that bottom right off. Okay. Now I'm going to add some supports. Auto support. Those will snap off after I'm done printing. I think it'll flatten the bottom off. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, we'll save it. Print, Bug3. Okay. And then before I take it over to the printer, I'm going to give it a raft, which is that bottom thin layer for everything to sit onto, for the supports mainly. Models are off the platform. Do you want to continue slicing? Yes. Because I want those to be sliced off. And of course, whenever my fridge goes off, my monitor goes off. Okay. Now I'm going to add some supports. Auto support. Those will snap off after I'm done printing. I think it'll flatten the bottom right off. Okay. And then before I take it over to the printer, I'm going to give it a raft, which is that bottom thin layer for everything to sit onto, for the supports mainly. Models are off the platform. Do you want to continue slicing? Yes. Because I want those to be sliced off. Slicing. You can also make an ocarina from Legend of Zelda. Okay, it's done. It flattened it just the way I wanted it to by putting it kind of off the edge there. And now I'm going to put it on a flash drive and take it over to the printer. Alright, I got my flash drive in there. And on the Flash Forge Finder here, I'm going to, there's bug 3. I'm going to copy that over to the unit itself, its local memory. Okay, because now I can print it directly off of that. I don't know if you need to or not, but I usually do. There's bug 3 and build. 2 hours and 48 minutes, we'll have that bug. Now I'm using the painter's tape method of laying it on there so that you can kind of peel it off a lot easier. And a few hours from now, we'll see what happens.